So while trying to find the best productivity app that really suits me, and finding out that it's a deep rabbit hole filled with other complicated ones, and searching for the best one out there that's gonna work for me, I came across this app called Koncentro. Koncentro. Koncentro, which is an open source productivity app. Now, first thoughts, I guess that, oh, it's just going to be like one of those complex apps. Sorry, you can't access this feature. Please give us your kidney to use it. But the first hour of using it, and it's, oh my god, I'm starting to love it. First, you got the amount of simplicity. It's so easy and simple to use and track. You have a built-in Pomodoro system task, subtask, and it's so simple. You tell me that I can add tasks and subtasks and easily move them as I want, plus I can use the Pomodoro mechanism to finish them. Less. Also, it tracks how much time you worked on a certain task or subtask, and a built-in website blocker, and all the things in there are super customizable, and you can play with the personalizations with some really simple settings. About the Pomodoro, it's really basic, and that's what it matters. I'm happy with it. You got pause, stop, and skip like the other thousands ones out there. But anyways, I just want to share this app. I'll put the link in the description for anyone who is interested in. If you want this type of videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay on for any new upcoming videos.